Signature Suite 627 at Fairmont Mayakoba. This is very exciting because I've never stayed downstairs in one of the two-floor buildings before. I've always been upstairs, and actually I love being down here right at the base of the mangrove. It's not supposed to be raining, but it is. There are very strict notices on all the windows saying keep the windows closed because there are thieves on the prow, four-legged thieves. Animals come in, and I don't know what they like, but they seem to come in and take things. So I shall follow. Once I've made this video, I shall do that. It is extremely pleasant, this. I've got 2 bathrooms, which is a real luxury for one person. 2 full bathrooms. This one has an outdoor shower. What I like about this one too is that the bed faces the mangrove. How lovely to be waking up in the morning to that. They've put my case onto a rack, but in fact I've got a shelf for it. Good show. It's extremely comfy. And I've got this gorgeous locally crocheted bag that I think has a hairbrush in it. Yippee! Labo toiletries. Bathtub with handles. And I've got an outdoor shower. It starts inside, and I can turn it on without getting wet. And then it goes outside. So in all, I've got 3 showers here at Fairmont Mayakoba.